So this is lecture 17, and in this lecture we are going to discuss about the stability of the your LSI system. Okay, suppose you have a LSI system and you have to find out whether it is stable or not. So all of you know the condition of stability. If I talk about this stability, so in previous lecture I have already told you that your system should be bounded input, bounded output, or you can write it down. The system is stable if the impulse response is absolutely integrable. That is minus infinity to infinity h of tau d tau should be or must be less than infinity. Okay, or for discrete, that is for continuous or analog signal, for discrete system it will be summation k equal to minus infinity to infinity mod of h k should be or must be less than infinity. So if you are going to check the stability of your system, you have to find out this. Okay, in here I have written the system is stable if the impulse response is absolutely integral. Okay, you know, impulse response is nothing else the your ht, और ht अगर आप निकालते हैं तो it should be yt upon xt. ओके अगर आप डेफिनेशन लिखेंगे तो ऐसे ही लिखते हैं हम, किसी भी सिस्टम का रिस्पॉन्स मतलब क्या हुआ, हाउ योर आउटपुट इज वेरिंग विद इनपुट. सो अगर आपका इनपुट बाउंडेड है, आउटपुट बाउंडेड है, उसी कंडीशन में जो एस टी होगा वो क्या होगा, फाइनाइट होगा, लेस देन इंफिनिटी होगा. ओके, सो यू कैन राइट इट डाउन इन दिस वे ऑल्सो. नाउ फॉर एग्जाम्पल, just take one example. Okay, example is given that a system is defined. This is the condition you have to remember. The system is defined by its impulse response and that is hn equal to 2 to the power n u n minus 2. Now whether it is stable or not. So you have to find out if this system is given, now this system is stable or not. Okay, so according to definition, first thing is here the signal is discrete. Okay, so you have to use the formula your this one. So hn equal to is given 2 to the power n u n minus 2, and for calculating the stability you have to calculate this value and it should be less than infinity. So hn की जगह आपको k पे रिप्लेस करना है. So k equal to minus infinity to infinity 2 to the power, or sorry, firstly write it down, mod of hk should be less than infinity. Now just put this value over here, k equal to minus infinity to infinity 2 to the power k u k minus 2. Okay. Now obviously if you see over here, here is given uk minus 2. So one thing is clear कि जो आपका यहाँ का रिस्पॉन्स है वो k इक्वल टू 2 से स्टार्ट है और इनफाइनाइट की तरफ जा रहा है, मीन्स जो k की वैल्यू होगी, ओके, दैट विल बी स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 2. Okay, I hope this point is clear, because if you are going to draw this uk minus 2, so it is going to start from k equal to 2, okay, up to infinite जा रहा होगा. So that's why I have started here k equal to 2 to infinity 2 to the power k. Okay, so when you put this value, okay, obviously you will get the infinity 2 to the power infinity, it will be infinity. Okay, means it is not equal to less than infinity. Okay, आपको चाहिए था should be less than infinity, but यहाँ पे क्या आ गया, infinity. So you can say that the system is unstable. The system is unstable. Okay, so in this way you can find out the stability of the system. Okay, just take one another example. I hope this example is clear to all of you. In the next example, given the impulse response of a system and that is hn equal to a to the power n un. Now, what is the condition for the system to be BIBO, bounded input, or you can say stable, bounded input, bounded output, or you can say stable. Okay, now in answer they have given, or you can say this is a question asked in your GATE exam. Okay, so first is given A is real and positive. Second one is given A is real and negative. Third is given mod A greater than 1, and fourth one is given mod A less than 1. So if you want to condition, okay, you have to use the formula. So this is the question. Okay, now you have to find out which condition is true, whether first, second, third, fourth. Okay, so if I talk about the solution of this part, you all of know given is hn equal to a to the power n. So we know this hn equal to a to the power n un. Okay, for stability you know that k equal to minus infinity to infinity h of k should be less than infinity. Okay, or you can write it down k equal to minus infinity to infinity a to the power n un should be less than infinity. Now you have to put the k equal n equal to k, so you can write it down k, k. Okay, because you have to put the value of this k over here. Now, condition is given. If you want to this finite, मेन मोटिव क्या है हमारा कि ये जो फंक्शन है इट शुड बी लेस देन infinity. Okay, now if I'm not going to put this k value, okay, because k is going to vary from minus infinity to infinity, so obviously you should have focus on this a value. Okay, that's why in all of the your option mention is a value over here. Okay, so if you talk about this, इट शुड बी लेस देन वन. अगर वन की वैल्यू होगी, ओके, वन से कम होगा तो उसकी पावर जो भी होगी इट विल बी फाइनाइट. वन से अगर मॉड ए ज्यादा करोगे, के ऑलरेडी जा रहा है तुम्हारा मॉड इन्फिनिटी, so उस केस में it will be tends to infinity. But when you put this mod a less than equal to 1, okay, it will be limited to finite value. Okay, so the question answer is mod a should be less than 1 because it is not depending whether it is real or positive. Okay, because you have to check. अगर इसकी बात करें तो it one thing is clear, it is going to 0 to infinity because mu n से multiply हो रहा है. So or you can write it down k equal to 0 over here. Okay, and you can remove this. Okay, बचेगा क्या a to the power k. Okay, so you know infinite series, AP series. So obviously you should have this, put this value mod a should be less than equal to less, sorry, less than 1. Then in this case you will get this Vivo system or finite value. Okay, anyway, so in this way you can solve the, or you can find out the stability of the your system.